Chief cells. Chief cells are located in the parathyroid glands. The parathyroid glands are found on the posterior surface of the thyroid gland. Here, a parathyroid gland and a thyroid gland are being looked at under a microscope. Chief cells can be found in clusters by the outer edge. Here you can see the clusters of chief cells. There are two types of chief cells: gastric chief cells. Gastric chief cells work in conjunction with the parietal cell, which releases gastric acid, converting the pepsinogen into pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme whose pepsinogen is released by the chief cells in the stomach and that degrades food proteins into peptides. Gastric chief cells are one of the three principal proteolytic enzymes in the digestive system. During the process of digestion, these enzymes collaborate to break down dietary proteins into their components. This is a picture of a gastric chief cell. The other kind of chief cell is a parathyroid chief cell. A parathyroid chief cell is one of the few cell types of the body that regulates intracellular calcium levels as a consequence of extracellular changes in calcium concentration. Chief cells are dark when they are filled with the parathyroid hormone and clear when they have already discharged the hormone. Here you can see where they have discharged the hormone and where they are holding the hormone. The overall function of a chief cell is to synthesize and secrete pepsinogen, the precursor to the proteolytic enzyme pepsin. Pepsinogen is the substance that is secreted by the stomach wall and converted into the enzyme pepsin by gastric acid. Pepsin cleaves peptide bonds, which favors those on the C-terminal side of the tyrosine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan residues. Its action breaks long polypeptide chains into shorter lengths. Secretion by the gastric glands is stimulated by the hormone gastrin. Gastrin is released by the endocrine cells in the stomach in response to the arrival of food. The parathyroid gland is important to humans. There are 4 in the body because one wouldn't be enough to do its job. They regulate calcium levels in our bodies. The gland is made up of 4 types of cells, and chief cells is one of them. Calcium affects the density and strength of bones. Calcium movement allows the nervous system to work. Every cell in the body uses calcium to function properly. Therefore, the chief cells help the parathyroid gland allow all of this to happen. And that is what I have to share with you about chief cells. Thank you.